Hi guys, welcome to another Airweb Creations videos. I know it's not the face of Richard. It's me, Jarvis, his friends. I'm the owner of Purple Beast, which is behind me. And today is a bit different. The intro is gonna be a bit different. And I'm starting because I have more than a month without riding my car, guys. And I know I miss her a lot, but on Aruba it has been raining for like a month, more than a month, and I don't like to run the car when it's raining because under the engine bay it doesn't have a cover, so I don't want to ruin my car. So I haven't ride it, like I said, for more than a month, and right now I'm going to try to start her because I forgot to get off the battery. So let's hope, guys, that the car starts, and let's pray. Cross fingers for me, guys. Okay guys, so here we can see her. 1 month, more than a month without riding her, without washing her. She has spider web. I know, guys, it's very embarrassing and I feel bad for that, but like I said, I don't like to ride her when it's raining, and here we have it. Let's see if the car starts. I'm going to switch the car right now. Oops. Oh my god, guys. Like you guys can see with me, I'm switching the car and nothing happens, so that means that the battery died. So right now, guys, I have to go to my friend's house, to Richard's house, and pick the battery charger. He has one. And tomorrow, guys, today is Friday, tomorrow Saturday, we're going to work on the Evo, and tomorrow I will let you know, guys, what are we going to do.
The next day.
Yo guys, Airweb Creations back on the vlog here. As you guys saw in the intro, we have Jarvis and Purple Beast Evo 7 back on the vlog. How you feeling, Jarvis, to be back on the vlog?
Well, it's been a while, man. I'm excited again to show you guys what are we going to do today.
So he's going to explain to us what are we going to do to the Evo 7 today. So go ahead, Jarvis.
Alright guys, so here I have it, the package. I didn't open the package, like I said, always to open with you guys. And today we have two things, two small changes that I want to do. And this is a wood strut bar. Here you can see it's very beautiful with carbon fiber.
Looks very nice. So we're going to install these wood struts. So you're not going to use this anymore.
Alright guys, let me show you guys how the package, how it shows. Okay. Alright guys, see it by yourself. I don't know if you can catch it on the camera, but carbon fiber is beautiful.
It's very nice.
Yes. And also guys, we have a small change in the interior of the car. Can you guys guess it? I think you guys can. Okay guys, here it is. A shift knob.
A brand new shift knob.
Beautiful and small.
So there you have it, guys. Let's begin.
Okay guys, here we have all the tools that we are going to need. The right and the left. Some nuts, washers, and the strut bar. We also got a instruction so I think it's gonna be a pretty easy install.
Perfect. So guys, we just installed the struts. Jarvis is going to show you guys the end results.
Here we have it, guys.
Yeah. Nice.
I love it.
Like it?
Yes, I like it very much.
So this is it, guys. It's very simple, very easy to install. When you open up your box, you're gonna get this paper right here. It's the instructions. You have just to follow it as it says, and the installation is going to be smooth and easy.
Alright guys, I need your help, and I'm doubting in if I rather stay with the silver piping and polish it, or I go and I powder coat it black. Let me know in the comment section below. Alright guys, if we have a comparison of the old shift knob that I had and the new one, I just wanted a change, so I bought this one. And the installation is pretty easy, guys. You have to just tighten it and put this nut, so then you can adjust it so that it can stay aligned. So let's see if it goes aligned. If not, we simply adjust it. Okay, so here we can see it's just a bit far. So alright guys, so that's it guys.
Easy?
Easy as that. A new shift knob on it.
Awesome. As for the Eclipse, guys, you already know, on the last episode, my father and we took the whole old interior out of the car. I already have the new carpet, but I'm missing a pair of seats because I don't want to put the old seats back because they are in bad shape. So right now, Jarvis and we are about to head out to JSet Wheels to see if we can find a new pair of seats for the Eclipse. So let's go, guys. So guys, we are here at JSet Wheels. As you can see, we're gonna see if we can find some seats for the Eclipse. Are you ready, Jarvis?
Yes, I am excited.
Let's go.
For my friend.
Yeah. Guys, we made our decision and we found a pair of seats for the Eclipse. This is it, guys. What do you think of it, Jarvis?
Damn, hey, this thing looks beautiful, comfortable.
It's gonna look nice in the Eclipse, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, I'm very excited. Let's go. Let's take this bad boy back home. Alright guys, so we've reached the end of another RWeb Creations video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you already know, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you can be notified and up to date when a new video is uploaded. If you want to know about the struts that Jarvis used on his Evo, we'll leave the link down below in the description box for you guys to check it out. So Jarvis,
Alright guys, thanks for watching, for taking your time and watch our videos, and I'm really excited to see how those seats are going to sit on the Eclipse.
huge shout out goes to the owner of JSet Wheels and Janela, the kindest sales girl ever. Thank you guys from JSet Wheels. We got a good deal on the seats, so I'm very excited. As Jarvis said, we are very excited to install them on the Eclipse on the next video. Just keep it sideways, baby. Let's go.